Welcome to the Lucro platform. In this tutorial, I want to showcase the Industry Insights feature and how you can utilize it to compare your practice to the industry in order to improve the way you manage the finances of your practice. So once you log in, you can navigate to the Industry Insights section either on the top navigation page as well as on the far left-hand side of the navigation toolbar. Once I go into Industry Insights, I'll be brought to the Industry Insights page. By default, you will land on the top 10% performers of $0 to $50,000 a month revenue band. Just some key insights here. At the top right hand, you will be notified to what date and time has the Industry Insights been updated. In this case, it's March 2025. Once we process the next month's data, that will change to April 2025 and so forth. We currently have five different revenue segments that you can navigate to: $0 to $50,000 a month, $50 to $100, $100 to $150, $150 to $250, and $500,000 a month. These are monthly revenue bands. So if you want to look at a particular revenue band, you'll select that on the right-hand side. And then you can look at top average performers across the industry or the clients that we have, as well as top 10% performers. The feature for top 10% performers is only for the first three revenue bands. This is due to the number of data points we have beyond that. We're not confident that we have enough data points to have a true representation of that. As we get more data points, as we build our client base, we will then enrich this data with obviously more practice data, as well as we will introduce a top 1% performers band once we have hit the ideal level of data points. And so you can select, in this case, I'm going to select $50,000 to $100,000 a month revenue band, and I can look at the top 10% performers in that revenue band. What does their business look like from an income standpoint, an expense standpoint, a profitability standpoint? What does their trend look like over the last 12 months? And what are their key KPIs in the four management areas look like in team, marketing, operations, and products and cost of goods sold? You can then also look at that from an average performer standpoint. From 50 to 100 average performers, that's what the average looks like across all the practices that we are managing in the same feature. So you can utilize that to compare yourself to the industry and help make strategic decisions in order to grow and scale your practice accordingly.